Okay, in this video, I'm going to try to show you how you can create an assignment that will show up in multiple sections. The prerequisite for this, though, is that there are units that are the same in your sections, and so the other video about making common units is kind of an essential piece. So let's assume you've gone ahead and created those units across sections, and let's try to add an assignment in as you might want to do, of course, on a regular basis throughout the school year. So I'm on my dashboard again. You can see I've got these 6 sections of classes along with my advisory. I'm going to go into the planning mode again, and I'm in my first section of AP Bio. I could pick the second section. Let's start from there. Um, in the last video, we created this unit called Biology Feedback. And so I'll select that. And it says I haven't created any assignments, so let's create a new assignment. So here the title is going to be, let's see, in biology feedback, maybe it's something about loop diagrams or feedback loop diagrams. How about that? Feedback loop diagrams. And we'll select a type here. I don't know if we're going to have all of these options, but I'll just select a type that's summative. I could give it a description and a due date right there. And I'm going to save it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it says remember to align at least one standard to this assessment. To do so, make sure the assessment tick off the check boxes for the standards that you would like to align. I'm not sure that's grammatically correct, but let's go ahead and say that maybe this is a computational thinking and modeling are the standards that would go with it. So there it is. I've got my feedback loop diagrams, assignment made, and it's linked to a couple of standards. That was in section 2. So let's go here and see section 1. I'll go to biology feedback, and there it is, feedback loop diagram. And look, it's got a little 2 next to it, which means that it's got 2 standards that it's connected to. So here I am in section 1, biology feedback. Let's make sure that it works the other way. Let's make a new assignment here, and this one's going to be called um, is it positive feedback? Question mark. Okay, and again it'll be summative, and I can describe it and give it a due date and so on. And I'm going to save that, and there it is with my misspelling. And I'll say, oh, maybe this is an argument, an arguing standard. Okay, and so now I've got 2 assignments in there. This one was created in section 1, but if I go to section 2 and I go to biology feedback, you'll see I've got the same 2 assignments there. So pretty straightforward to kind of create an assignment that is shared between sections. If you've got 3 or 4 or 5 sections of a course, this is of course the kind of thing you'll want to do all the time. Critical piece though is they need to have shared units that were commonly created. And so if you didn't watch the other video, you'll want to watch it. Okay, hope this is helpful, and let's talk soon. Take care.